Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 hot air gun. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is 2500W electric heat gun. Specifications. Brand name, Isfrede. Model number, cordless hot air gun. Usage, commercial manufacture. Feature, temperature digital display. Rated voltage, 110 volts. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is RF4 hot air gun RF-H5. Specifications. Brand name, RF4. Model number, H5. Usage, commercial manufacture. No load speed, 13,000 RPM. Air volume, 50 liters per minute. Rated output power, 800 watts. Feature, cool, hot air, temperature adjustable, temperature digital display. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Weight, 3 kilograms. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, digital display hot air gun. Specifications. Brand name, Consist. Usage, commercial manufacture. Rated output power, 1000 watts. Feature, temperature adjustable, temperature digital display. Rated voltage, 110 volts. Origin, mainland China. Weight, 4.3 kilograms. Item number 2 is cordless handheld hot air gun. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Usage, home DIY. Rated output power, 300 watts. Feature, temperature adjustable. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, hot air gun with LCD. Specifications. Brand name, Hupar Tools. Model number, HG01. Usage, home DIY. Feature, temperature adjustable, temperature digital display. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Weight, 1.3 kilograms. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS, WE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.